Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can convert a text file into an Excel file and vice versa. So let's go. So the first thing, I would just open up the Microsoft Excel. So I would just open this up. Now, just go to the Office bottom and here you can see the open. Just click on this and now you sort the files by text. So we want a text file, so here are my text files. So I would choose any one of them. So let's say GST and let's say open. So it opens up the text import wizard. Here the delimiter has been selected, to separate the tabs of each field. So here you can see how our data is to be arranged. So just click on the next bottom and here you can see the additional delimiters that we want to add in this file. So we would add our space because we want the space between each field. So our data would be arranged like this. Now after this, just click on next and here the general is already selected, which just converts the date values to dates and numeric values to numbers and other all remaining values to text. So everything is already pre-done, so to just click finish and here you can see our data, which was in text format, has been converted into an Excel sheet. So just increase this size. So in this way you can easily convert any sort of text file into an Excel sheet. So let's say we have this Excel sheet which we want to store in a text format but not in a Excel workbook. So for this, just go to Office bottom and now to save as. Now you can see this file has been saved as Excel workbook, but we want this file to be stored as a text file. So for this, let's first change the name randomly, say FGD. Now just go to save as type and see the options. So just go to text tab delimited and say save. So say OK and yes, now our file has been converted into a text file. So let's see. Okay, so what is the name? FGD. So let's open this up. Now you can see it has been stored as a text file. So in this way you can even convert any sort of Excel sheet file that you have worked on into a text file. So it's a pretty easy process. So thanks for watching. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.